Okay, I've just seen that Camilla from RecoBiz has published the interview that she conducted with me, and I've just realized watching it back that at the beginning I had my body warmer on because it was freezing, but I mentioned that there was a funny story behind the branding on our jackets. So I thought I would share the funny story. So it says, basically, as you can see, Clockwork Eye Video Production. And our jackets, as well as the body warmers, have it. So basically, we were in Gateshead filming with a client, and we'd arrived early, so we decided to go get some breakfast. And we went in, I think we went into like a Burger King or something like that. I can't remember what it was. And we got our meal and we sat down, and there was hardly anybody in there. And this lady who was behind the counter was chatting to somebody else. And they kept looking at us, and we thought, oh, well, we look like somebody, you know? And well, basically, we went from there, and I said to Mick, "Oh, I want to get some extra strong mints before we go. Not because I got bad breath or anything. Stop thinking that. But basically, we went to Iceland. It was, and we walked in, and there was a lady filling the shelf at the back of the shop, and so I went up to her and I said, "Excuse me, can you tell me where the extra strong mints are, please?" And she said, "Yeah, they're just down the end of that aisle." And we started walking. Next thing you know, she caught up with us and she was walking along. She said, "Oh, they're just here. They're just here. Pack of 4 for £1. Is that all right?" I said, "Oh, lovely. Thank you." And we went and she said, "Oh, I'll open a till for you." No, there was a queue. And she opened this till and we're going through and she bleeped it. And then she turned around and she said, "X Factor's in town this weekend, aren't they?" And then the penny dropped because we got video production on the back of our jackets. And I said, "I have no idea." And she went, and that's a true story. So, yes, basically, that is the funny story of when we went to Gateshead and got mistaken for production crew for the X Factor. All right. Or Britain's Got Talent. I think it was Britain's Got Talent. That's it. Yeah. All right. Cheers, Ed. Ta-da.